Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be working on 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. The customer called me that she observed the smell of fuel while she's driving, and the car automatically in the morning she started the car, no issues. After driving for a while, the engine shut down. Then when she start up, though it will give a little bit of her start, but the car will still start and she will move on. So she called me to come and diagnose. To diagnose, I will not infect repairs. So when she talked about this fuel smelling, I came to check the rear because she told me she did they changed the fuel pump recently. So I wanted to confirm if the fuel tank was dropped. Though most people, because of the labor involved in dropping the fuel tank, they usually come here and just cut out this part to give them access. So I discovered that the smell is coming from this part. So you can see. So if you have a Pathfinder and that having smell from your fuel, first of all check it to ensure that the connectors are properly connected after they did the work on the fuel. So I plug a scan to check what could be any error codes. We have error codes in the engine and the ABS system. So the ABS system is not. That is not the reason why I'm here. But let me just check the error codes on the ABS before I will check the one from the engine. Engine signal, steering angle sensor circuit. That will not shut down the car. Let me check from the engine the error codes we have in the engine. And the customer also told me that she recently changed have the jar service by changing the jar oil when she noticed the leak in the jar system. She noticed that the jar oil was leaking. So these are the error codes. We have about 13 error codes. Closed loop bank 1, multiple cylinder misfire, it happened 11 times. The closed loop happened 11 times. Then we have the fluid temperature sensor. This error code there's a sensor that normally check the temperature of the ATF. The crankshaft position sensor circuit. This can likely cause the car to shut down, and it will only occur if you have poor battery voltage, you have a starter circuit issues. This can happen. The power steering temperature sensor, this cannot make it shut down. Car communication, must lost communication with one item or the other. HO2 oxygen sensor cannot make it shut down. Thermostat function, this error code normally comes out when you have issues with your thermostat. I don't think that should make it shut down. Then the intake valve timing control, this can also cause it to shut down. So the two error codes are this and this. That's likely going to make the car shut down. So what I will do, let me clear the error codes and see what happens. Then maybe I will do some live feed and see. Or let me even do that before I clear the error codes. Let me start the engine. me get some live data. Coolant temperature 58. I guess the thermostat is no longer there, but let's see. Vehicle speed sensor, battery voltage. This is the alternator voltage. I will check the battery voltage later. Intake temperature sensor, ignition timing, fuel tank. Since I'm not getting any error related to the fuel sending unit, I assume probably that fuel, it was not properly closed. That's why she's perceiving fuel or smell of fuel from the engine. Okay, right now I can perceive it. Can perceive the odor of gasoline when I started the engine and the engine started to work. Okay. Power steering signal off. So I'm turning the power steering. I'm not getting anything here. So start signal off. Okay, the only thing I seem to notice sensor 1 and sensor 2. This particular sensor is not responding. Yeah, intake valve timing, bank 2, minus 0.25. Now we'll compare this with that of bank 1, intake valve timing bank 1, 21, as regards to this, minus 22. So show that there's a variation. Let me rev the engine once more. I think maybe I will select those two. Timing bank 1, take valve timing bank 2. But the good thing is that the valve solenoid, they are at 0, which is okay. They are 0%. So let me move that to the top. So the difference is not much. So suspecting here. So I would suggest the customer change the sensor, because sorry, I didn't pick. Okay, intake valve timing bank 1, intake valve timing bank 2. So the solenoids are synchronization. There's no 0, which means this timing was properly set. So those are my suggestions. I'll change the sensor, but before then, let me clear the codes. Let me erase all the codes. Let me erase all the codes. So let's see. Of course, so let's read what error codes we have there. Okay, CAMCOM codes. So let's start again. Let's check. This can't be the cause, though these are error codes, but they cannot be the reason why the car will go off. As you can see, this error code came back straight off. So we need to change the camshaft position sensor. I will ask if she has done an oil change. If she has done an oil change, then we'll have to change that sensor.